Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to make your very own backyard bird studio. I've got a simple piece of wood that was waiting for its moment to shine for way too long in my basement, so I needed to clean it up a bit. I've got some moss, branches, pine cones and stone as well. These will add some texture. And lastly, I'm sprinkling sunflower seeds. My feathery friends love sunflower seeds. I wanted them to notice it as quickly as possible, so I placed it under the feeder and it really worked. Happy naturing and see you later!